Hello my dear friends, Alex here from Alex 80s, and today I have two editing tricks that you can try in your next vlogging video. These tricks are very applicable in different type of videos, alright? So you stay around and see for yourself. Alright my dear friends, so the very first one right here, I have this trick right here whereby the map is being banned, which is simply called the paper tone or the paper burn effect. So here is the very first step for you to pull this effect out. Head over to stock media and right here you search for the sample color, which is the green screen. Alright, so here it is. You drag it down into the timeline and after that go straight to the transitions, and right here you're going to search for the transition 01, okay? And right here, this is the transition that I'm talking about. Then you drag it down again onto your green screen. Alright, so after you have done that, as you can see right here, if I try to move the plate around, you see this is the transition. That is how it affects the whole thing. Alright, so right now we have to extend the transitions according to the duration of this image right here. Alright, so what you're going to do right here is to export this so that you can import it back again. Alright my dear friends, so right now you have to pay more attention because our next step right here is quite trickier. Alright, so here is what you're going to do. Go to the speed of this green video right here and then set it on the reverse. Alright, so right here I think I would like it to open until this level right here, so I'm going to put a mark on this very point. Alright, well my dear friends, I want to assume that everyone is understanding this, but if you are finding complications or if you are left behind somewhere, just write where you're finding complications with this effect right here. Just write it down in the comment section so that I can help you out. Alright, one more time here, I'm going to move it a little bit down, okay? Move it down a little bit in this way, and then this gap that is remaining out there, I'm going to bring another sample green color like this way, and then bring it over here so that it covers that space to make it all green. Alright, because I don't want this line here to be right on top, I just want it to be right somewhere here like the 3/4 size, okay? Alright my dear friends, so that was very simple, huh? If it really was, you are almost done then, okay? Now what you're supposed to do right now is to go to the AI tools and then go to the chroma key. For the very first time you are going to key the black color, understand? The black color. Alright, so this is the black color that we're going to key right here, and then I'm going to take my map video right here and put it right below here, okay? As you can see right here, the video is now in this way. Now it's no longer showing that black thing. It's been removed through the chroma key, okay? Alright, so right here on the green screen my dear friend, you have only a few things you need to set up here. I think the offset you leave it as it is, or maybe just increase a little bit, and then you increase this is a must, understand? This is a must. You have to increase the tolerance, and then after that maybe just increase as well the edge thickness. As you can see the difference that is showing up on the screen while I'm doing some changes right here, okay? Alright my dear friend, so right now this is the very end. This is the point that I want the animation to stop right here, okay? So the tearing of the paper must stop right here on this very marker right here. So this is what I'm going to do right here. I'm going to freeze frame on the very point of the marker right here. On this very frame I'm going to freeze from here onwards. Alright, so after I've done that, I'm going to duplicate this first video right here and then move it closer to the other. And for me to make these two match exactly, I'm going to go to the speed of this second video right here and then undo the reverse speed. Alright, so as you can see right here, it moves and it freezes right here and then it starts closing back again. Alright, so this is the very simple thing that I want you to understand my dear friend. After you have done that, now the very next thing right here is to select all of these things right here and then go to the export. Alright, so let's do it. Alright my dear friend, now that we are done exporting our video right here, you find it here right still in the project that you are working on. Okay, so right here you drag it down, and here straight, as you can see for yourself, you go straight to the chroma key. Alright, so but before that, I think it's best to drag down the video that you wanna use with this effect together. For myself right here, I think I can take this video right here for now, but you can use it on different videos. As you can see right here, I can use it on different videos. Alright, so what I want you to do right here, my dear friend, is we just wanna add this band effect right here. So we're gonna do something again right here on the chroma key, on the settings right there. So when you are here, of course, the very first thing right here is to do the keying, the green keying straight away, because we want to remove this green thing. Alright, so here you go, and then what you're going to do right here is to increase a little bit of offset, and then do the same on tolerance, and then reduce a little bit the edge thickness, and after that, of course, you're gonna increase a little bit of the edge feather. Okay, so after you have done that, you can find out that it's really bending. The maple is really bending, my dear friend. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, my dear friend, now that you got this one trick, you are nearly to be a very good editor. Let me show you the second one again so that you'll be fully paid up. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so right here I have this traveler right here that is standing like it doesn't really know where you wanna go next, but of course that has nothing to do with me. Alright, so what exactly you want here to do, my dear friend, is to make the background of this person right here change, make some changes in different color. I mean, actually color grading the background without affecting the subject. Okay, alright, so most of the time, my dear friend, we know how to remove the background from the subject. Okay, so that one is very simple. Almost any video editing software can do that. Alright, but this time around, this trick demands you to remove the subject. Now it's not removing the background from the subject, but it is removing the subject from the background. You understand? Alright, so this is what I'm going to do right here. Double select this image right here, and then go to the AI tools, and right here, of course, go to the AI smart cutout. Alright, so when you get here, my dear friend, we have just a very few simple steps to do. Alright, so what you need to do right here, of course, is to brush our subject, as you can see right here. Alright, so after you've done that, the very following thing right here, my dear friend, is to select this option right here so that you can invert your mask. Alright, so after you've done that, again, go save. Now duplicate this image right here and move it on top of this other one. Okay, so on the other image, again, go again to the very same thing, which is the smart cutout, and then this time around we are going again to invert back the mask. Okay, so after you have done that, go again to save. Alright, now right here you are going to have these two pictures covering one for the other, so it all seems like nothing and completely nothing has been done on this image. Okay, but you know what you've done. Okay, you know what you've done. So what you're going to do right here is to lock the first image right here, the above image, and then on the below image right here you go to the color, and then right there is where you start to do your magic tricks. Alright, so right now, as you can see right here, if I can show you, this is how it looks like. As you can see right here, our very main subject, which is this person right here, is not being affected with the color grading, yet the background is. Alright, so this is something that you can actually do only through the smart cutout. But if you think you have another way of doing this which is not through the smart cutout, please let me know in the comment section. Just write that down so that I can read it and learn as well. Alright, my dear friends, so this was all that I wanted you to learn from this video. If you found it helping, found some value, please subscribe and help the channel. And until we meet in the next episode, peace.